Hi, what is the difference between a visa and an extension of stay? Many foreigners in the kingdom get confused between a visa and an extension of stay, but you've got to understand that these two visas are quite different. This will be covered in today's video, but before I dive onto the issue, I urge you to smash the subscribe button. A visa simply refers to the sticker in your passport that was obtained from a Thai embassy abroad, whereas an extension of stay is a stamp that was issued to you by an immigration officer in an immigration office in Thailand. And this extension of stay has a duration, a lengthy duration, which is usually between 6 months to a year. And there are reasons as to why you may have an extension of stay. For example, most people engage in teaching jobs, and if you are employed as a teacher, your school will help you to obtain an extension of stay. Or perhaps you're doing business for whatsoever reason. All visas categories in Thailand can be followed by an extension of stay. So an extension of stay is different from an actual visa. And in terms of duration, an actual visa, that is a sticker in your passport, is valid for 90 days. There are those that might have a multiple re-entry, which can go right up to 6 months. However, it's usually not up to a year. So a visa and an extension of stay is quite different. So you've got to take note of this. And another pertinent issue that most foreigners get confused about is how to cancel a visa and work permit in case you move jobs. The procedure is quite simple. Let us assume that you are not comfortable in a job and you want to move. The first thing you've got to do is to have an understanding with your employer. You guys should separate amicably, because if you just vanish, this might cause problem to you, because your employer will eventually cancel your extension of stay and work permit, and you end up having overstay in the kingdom. But if you discuss with your employer and you guys arrive at an understanding, then you can have a way to work around the cancellation process, and it's normal that your employer should be able to give you time for you to transition into a new job. They do this by telling you that, okay, you can go and maybe we shall cancel your visa within a month or two. This period gives you time to move to your new job, and it gives your new employer time to apply for a new extension for you. If you have more questions about extension of stay and visas in Thailand, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, enjoy your Songkran festivities. Thanks. Bye for now.